Congratulations on purchasing your Sylvania Smart Plus product. This video will show you how to connect your Sylvania Smart Plus device to your desired smart home experience. First, install the Sylvania Smart Wi-Fi app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Be careful not to select the Sylvania Smart Home app, as this app will not be able to connect to and control Sylvania Smart Wi-Fi devices. Instead, select the Sylvania Smart Wi-Fi app. Once installed, open the Sylvania Smart Wi-Fi app. Log in or register a new account. If you are registering a new account, type in either your email address to receive the verification code via email or a phone number to receive the code via SMS text. Enter your verification code. You will then be prompted to enter a password for your Sylvania Smart Wi-Fi account. Now turn on your Sylvania Smart product. It will begin to flash rapidly, about 2 times per second. This indicates the device is ready to be paired to the Sylvania Smart Wi-Fi application. Tap Add Device. Then tap the lighting icon. Be sure your mobile phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. On the screen, the device icon will blink rapidly, just like your real device. Tap Confirm. The Wi-Fi network your phone is connected to will appear. If it doesn't, type in your Wi-Fi network name. Remember, Wi-Fi names are case sensitive. Be sure it's a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Type in your password and tap Confirm. The app will now connect to the Sylvania device. A notification wheel will show the progress. When the device has been successfully connected, the screen will say, "Device added successfully." Sylvania Smart Wi-Fi products can work with many voice assistants simultaneously. For instance, you can turn on the device with Alexa, turn it off via the Google Assistant, then control a scene with Siri. To set up voice control with either Amazon Alexa or the Google Assistant, tap the voice control button. For local control of your device with your smartphone or tablet, tap App Control. To set up voice control with Siri, first create a scene.
So the Cassius, it looks perfect in modern spaces, it looks perfect in traditional spaces. These fans are damp rated, which means you won't ever have to deal with kind of those droopy blade issues that you might see on other outdoor fans. If you need a simple, no light fan that's a great value, that you can trust to last a long time, this is the perfect fan.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers. These are the Cuisinart Compact Toasters. We have 2 models here. We have our 2-slice model and our 1st-slice model. So each model works very similarly, but it has 7 shade controls here. You just choose it by turning the dial. Today we're going to put it on 4.5. And it has a bagel function, a defrost function, reheat, and also cancel. The lever here activates the toaster. You can also push it up, and when you push it up, it allows your toast to rise up, and it's easier to get at once it's done. It has a cord wrap in the back, and also a little removable crumb tray that you take out from the back, and you should make sure that's clean. So just dump it out when you're done. So today we're going to do 2 slices of bread in our compact toaster, and the slots are 1.5 inches thick. So you just press it down, and I like to use the bagel setting because it actually cooks a little bit longer. And you should use the bagel function because bagels take longer to cook because they're much more dense and thick. And also, if you want to defrost something, you use the defrost feature. Reheat is great if, say, you're cooking eggs and you didn't plan your time too great and your toast is done before your eggs are. What you can do is just use reheat, and it'll warm your toast up without toasting it more. And also we have our cancel function. All you do is press the cancel button and it pops up. So we're going to put it back down. So this is our 4-slice model. And the great thing about the 4-slice model is it's actually 2 independent toasters in one. So for instance, they have each of their own shade control knobs, they have all their own functions, they also have each of their own levers. And the great thing about it is that on this side you can toast say English muffins. On the other side, say you want to toast a really thin piece of bread or even a waffle, you can get them to the perfect doneness that you like for each person. So there you have it, the Cuisinart Compact Toasters.